The intention of the acquisition was to really provide a turnkey capability for the defense industrial base. We're part of the industrial base, that's what we want. We want to continue to invest, and we've always been committed to providing the best product. You need to have the capability to do so, and we have that with this acquisition. A lot of people talk about investment. $950 million drives it home. So we are going to continue that investment in terms of the capabilities that we want to provide, because you have to do it here. From a national security interest perspective, you need to be in the U.S. You need to be in the U.S. with robust capabilities. And that's what really brought us over to Loc Performance when we started the acquisition process.
100% made in America across the board. What this signals, I think, to the overall industrial base is that there's more players out there, and the more we frame the solicitations that are coming out from the U.S. Army to allow companies like Rheinmetall to enter and penetrate the market, one, it fosters competition and it drives that, but the Army's going to get the best. In this marriage, in this connection, we couldn't have found a better company to acquire us. Because it really takes that vision and makes it a reality. So everyone's excited.
The great thing about this acquisition is the complementary cultures that Loc Performance had legacy and what American Rheinmetall Vehicles started. We're both hungry, we believe in responsiveness, we want to go out and compete, and we want to win business. American Rheinmetall Vehicles provides combat platforms, trucks, and different Tier 1 pieces of equipment for combat platforms for the U.S. DoD. So we span the entire combat platform portfolio, especially with our new colleagues that came from Loc.
Every ground combat vehicle that's used in the U.S. Army today, we have some part of the business.
It gives us significant control in terms of basically direct manufacturing inputs. It gives us 1.7 million square feet of additional manufacturing space, plus the ability to expand on that manufacturing space. So basically, on top of that, we got more than 1,000 skilled, qualified employees to help with that activity.
We have our Troy facility and Sterling Heights facility, primarily focused on design engineering and really preparing us for future phases of production. And then we have our manufacturing facilities. We have 4 facilities, 3 in Michigan and 1 in Ohio. The facility we're in today is our Plymouth location, which is where Loc Performance was actually founded and originated from. And this is where we do mechanical systems, drive systems, and heavy machining. In our Lapeer location, we do long-range munitions. So very, very high precision machining, 5-axis machining for long-range weapon systems. And then in our Lansing location is heavy fabrication. So that's where we're doing most of our armor solutions. We have the largest brig presses in North America, 50-foot length, 2,200 ton, where we can form 3-inch armor at a 50-foot length. But that's where we do all heavy fabrication. And last but not least is our St. Mary's location, where it's primarily a rubber manufacturing facility where we make compounds, custom compounds for a variety of customers. That facility really supports 2 different markets, both our defense as well as our commercial and agricultural business. So that facility is the prime facility that's manufactured every military track system ever produced that's used by the U.S. Army today. So Bradleys that are running around, M1s, M88s, the M270, we manufacture the MLRS IAC, the Integrated Armored Cab Structure.
So now I have diversity in terms of raw inputs when you're talking about armor plate, steel capabilities. I have a workforce now that is skilled and has qualified weld joints for when we're talking about our hulls and chassis, suspension capabilities, final drives. We've brought all of that in-house, which is very similar to how Rheinmetall operates globally, to control those supply chains. At the end of the day, we're all working to provide the best product for our uniform-wearing soldiers, sailors, airmen, Marine, Space Force, and we want to provide that.